Here's how to set custom status on Discord. So first, go ahead and launch your Discord application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select Set Custom Status. Then tap on the plus icon that is beside your profile picture in the top left corner. This will allow you to set status on your Discord account. Go ahead and type in your desired status in the top box. Also set a time for the status to be cleared. Once done, tap on save in the top right corner and it will save your changes and your custom Discord status will be updated, which means that your friends or any connection that you have on Discord will be able to view your status on Discord. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.